Welcome, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this part of the TOME prompts, I'll be taking you through the outline prompt. Prompts are always generated in the complete narrative form, but if you want to rather make it an outline with guidelines on what to write, you just do that by adding the outline prompt. So let's see how it works. So for example, if I want to generate an outline of a pitch deck, I would just say sales pitch deck outline. And then enter. Okay, so I select keep and then let's see what it generates for us. So we have an overview, and then it comes to introduction, purpose of the sale pitch. So it tells us the purpose of sale pitch. You can talk about the purpose of sale pitch, the target audience, and then the key takeaways. And then on the next one, the problem statements. These are questions that maybe you can answer for yourself. Solution, you can present the solution. The market analysis, you can do the market analysis, the marketing strategy, and then the conclusion. So these are all outlines of your presentations that you can answer to it. Yes, so this is the end of this part of this video, and see you in the next one.